Hi, Paul with Diode Dynamics coming to you today with our new SS3 fog light upgrade kit for the 2011 through 2016 Ford Super Duty. Now if you haven't heard, the SS3 is a nice new off-road pod that provides a huge amount of output, but it's also available in two road legal patterns, fog and driving. It's also available in either a cool white look to get that nice modern LED appearance, or a selective yellow color, which is known to possibly cut through inclement weather even better. Now, whether you choose the fog or driving option, it's going to be a huge upgrade in output. The fog light pattern provides an 80-degree full spread of light, and both patterns are available in either a sport or pro power level as well. But on this truck, with it being classified as a commercial vehicle over 8 feet in width, it's 50 state legal to install extra driving lights in your fog light position as well. Those can be used like extra high beams to really add some light on long stretches of highway at night or in areas where it's really dark on the road. Whether you choose white or yellow fog lights or the driving light high beam upgrade, this is going to provide a huge amount of output to the road. The SS3 kit looks great when it's off or on to give you a nice modern appearance as well. Now if you have either an older or newer Super Duty, we do have other brackets available to fit 99 through 2010 as well as 2017 and up. So no matter what Super Duty you drive, this is going to be a fantastic upgrade with an SS3 upgrade kit. You can find this kit available at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find it at a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.